Proper installation maximizes equipment life and reliability. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a Greenshield equipment foundation system to an existing structure. Before getting started, carefully review the Greenshield Installation Certification Sheet and Greenshield Product Reference Guide to ensure a safe and successful installation. The installation kit contains the key hardware components you'll need to install Greenshield. Step 1. Prepare the mounting surface. Determine where Greenshield will be installed and mark the location. Rough up the mounting surface for adequate grout adhesion and remove any residue. Apply anti-seize lubricant to the end of each leveling rod. Hand thread the leveling rods into Greenshield. Install double nuts onto each leveling rod and drive them through the base about 3 inches higher than the grout depth. Apply a generous amount of premium heavy-duty grease onto the bottom threads. Reverse the leveling rods into Greenshield. Position Greenshield in the desired location. Use protective tape to cover any holes not used in the installation. Step 2. Align and level Greenshield. Align Greenshield as needed to external reference markings or pipe locations with tapes, gauges, or a laser level. Use the leveling rods to raise Greenshield to the final design height. Carefully position a leveling puck under each rod. Lower Greenshield. Rough level with the integrated epoxy vials. Perform a final level adjustment with a machinist level. Step 3. Install the mechanical anchors. Drill 4 holes for the anchors to specification. Clean the holes with compressed air. Lightly thread a mechanical anchor onto each anchor bolt. Insert the assembly into the hole and unthread the bolt. Position a smooth rod onto the set pin of each anchor and hit firmly to secure the anchors in place. Lightly set threaded rod in contact with an anchor. Measure the distance from the bottom of the counterbore to the underside of the nut. Add 5/8 to 3/4 inches to measurement and remove from length. Individually measure and cut for each anchor location. Tightly wrap protective tape around each anchor bolt, about 2 inches from the end. Install a washer and tightly tighten the assembly into the counterbore, ensuring contact with the bottom of the counterbore. Step 4. Install the form boards and apply the grout. Carefully position form boards around Greenshield and anchor them to the mounting surface. Apply protective tape around the bottom of Greenshield to keep it clean. Secure the head box to the form. Mix the grout. Then pour the mixture in the center of one side of the form. The high-performance grout will self-level in the form. Once the grout cures, remove the leveling rods. Securely tighten the anchor bolts. Remove the form boards and dress the edges. Prepare the area around the anchor bolt holes for proper epoxy fill adhesion. Tape off the area around the anchor holes. Use provided epoxy kit to fill the anchor holes flush with the top surface of the base. Remove any protective tape and fill any unused holes. Finish up by installing equipment on Greenshield per manufacturer's recommendations. The grounding location is marked with a green bolt. BaseTek is proud to offer a 5-year Greenshield guarantee if installed in adherence to full specification. Please contact your Greenshield representative for more details. For additional information about BaseTek or Greenshield, please call or email BaseTek.